Hello, my wonderful people. How you all doing? This is a new vlog, another day, and it's a beach vlog. We are going to the beach. I'm going to the beach with my family, guys. Let me show you some of them. Some of them they are still on the way. Coming. At them here. We are going to the beach. Today is a very hot day. Hot. Wow. Very hot day. So let's go and spend some time in the beach. Hello, people. Oh yeah, Precious, say hi, Grandma. Happy, say hi. Where are you going to? Going to the beach. The right people, they are still on the way. So we'll see you when we get there. Bye. Look at the whole beach. So sunny, We are right here now in the beach, waiting for the rest of people to join us. We are very close. They are here now, my boys. Swing. So alright, let me show them we show them around. Go ahead and enter inside the beach now to go and stand our umbrella. Look at the whole vibe. Look at the view. It's so sunny. Oh my God. Hello. So we are trying to stand our umbrella. Baba. And the kids are preparing to Precious for action. Say hi. Kids are preparing for action, especially my granddaughter. She loves swimming. Yeah. Papi is trying to open the umbrella and stand it. Look at me sweating. Look at sweat. The weather is, I love it because each time I come to Spain, I like to sweat. Sweat very well because in England, hardly before you see sweat, I beg. So you need to sweat very well. Every day, sweat, remove all those waste, sort something from your body. So right now, we go ahead and move inside. Now the water is cool. Except my little baby. Oh, was crying. Bath. You must be inside here, stream bath. Even if it's good for one to enter to bath with seawater at least once in a year. It's very, very important. Very, very important, and it's good for our health. Look at white people. All of them, early in the morning, they are there. You come and stand their umbrella. So, look at me, trying to drag them. The way we drag them. Look at us. You are there. You would not like to go. I just have a short time. My vacation is just a short few days, not as usual. Anyway, it's good. Next year is another day. Next year I'm going to plan it very well. We have a short vacation. I'm trying to only cruise and enjoy. It's okay. At all, not bad. So now we are through. Yeah, guys. Through. I rinse myself from the clean water with tap. Seawater is salt water. Swimming. We are done with swimming now, so let me just. I've rinsed myself. The rest of people, they are rinsing themselves over there. I will soon show you them now. From here, we go to Chinese restaurants, just take lunch, then we go back home. Tomorrow is another day. Let me show you the guys. Let me show you my wonderful family. Look at them over there. Look at them. Let me just look at them. They are washing themselves on the clean water. Look at them. After swimming, when you come out from the river or from the pool, you go to the tap, rinse yourself very well before you go home. So now they are now rinsing themselves. From here we go to Chinese restaurants, have lunch, then go home and relax. Tomorrow is another day. See you later. Bye. Right now we are at the Chinese restaurant. After finishing from the beach, we are here now to have our lunch. From here we go home. So as usual, order for foods and we are waiting. We are enjoying ourselves. Though the Chinese people, they've changed hand and they've changed everything. Their meal, their everything has been changed. Before it used to be more delicious than this. They've changed everything. It used to be much more than this. At least before, one plate of rice like this, 2 people can share it. But now, look at it, can't even reach for 1 person. So it's not their fault. It's the cost of living. Cost of living is too high. It's too high. It's too high. The inflation is just going up, going up. Cost of living is going up, going up. So we go manage as we see am, my people. And so we see am oh. We eat the one we go fit eat and we go. Move on. Life goes on. Thank you all guys for watching us. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Subscribe. Help your sister. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever any video drop, you will be the first to see it. And please give a thumbs up, give like videos. Like video, please. When you open, when video pump up from your phone like this, you know that the person needs your, your effort, your like, need you to watch it, need you to comment. You just do it. It doesn't cost money. Just do it. Just press, just press it, like, comment, good or bad. If you like it, say good. If you don't like it, say bad. No problem. No. So my people, give a thumbs up to this video, like and share, watch to the end. God bless you. So as we are enjoying ourselves here, we are gisting, planning for the next day action, the next day activities. We don't know yet. We might plan, but no, we don't know. So that is that, guys. I thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe as usual, as I said earlier. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Watch to the end. Number 1 in the game, sweet delicious food.